We're going to continue talking about the chapter number 4, named The Big Decision, from this book, The Managerial Mask, from Alexander Dumas. And it starts like this. Monsieur Fouquet tells the king that his throne is in danger because it pretends to be robbed from his twin brother Philippe. So the King Louis feels concerned because he thought that Philip was dead, but no, actually he was taken away the day they burned. And Monsieur Fouquet starts to feel suspicious about D'Artagnan because he knows that D'Artagnan is friend of the Musketeers. In this next chapter number 5, named the King's Brother, D'Artagnan goes to Blois and to begin an investigation, and he meets the Musketeers and have dinner with him. And in this dinner he met Philippe, and he thinks that he's exactly like the King Louis, but Philippe is a little thinner. And Athos starts to explain D'Artagnan the plan to replace the king, and this will take place at the king's birthday party. So the Musketeers ask to D'Artagnan to ask for another set of clothes to the tailor, but D'Artagnan thinks that that's a little weird and it's a little difficult to get, but he will do it. This chapter ends with D'Artagnan waking up the next morning, watching Athos and Philippe doing some swordplay, and he starts to do it so, and he has to go back to Paris. That's how chapter number 6 starts, named A Visit to the King's Tailor, when D'Artagnan rode off alone back to Paris, but he knows that Fouquet will pass in the same road. He doesn't know when, but he knows that he will. So to avoid him, he had an idea, and he got off his horse and waited for a carriage to reach him on the road and asked for help to ride with them. So he does this, and then Fouquet appears and with his men arrived and stopped because he saw the D'Artagnan horse. So it asks some questions to the marriage, but he can run away from there, D'Artagnan. So D'Artagnan went to the king's tailor to ask for a second set of clothes, and the tailor, he's a little suspicious, and he's like, but why do you need two similar sets? But he got it. And this is it of these 3 chapters.